In just 1 minute, treat cold and cough at home. This is a magical home remedy to get rid of cold and cough very fast at home. You can't imagine how effective is this to vanish your cough and cold very fast. Try this out just one time and you will just amaze with the instant result. If you were suffering from cold very badly, this drink will give you an instant relief. We'll request you to watch the full video and don't skip, because we will show you a very detailed process. Before starting, subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our future updates. To make this amazing home remedy, ingredients you will need: 2 cups of water, 2 slices of ginger, 2 black peppercorns, 5 to 6 holy basil leaves, 4 cloves and 1 teaspoon of honey. Procedure: crush the ginger, peppercorns, basil leaves and cloves. Then add water to this mixture and boil the water for 1 minute. Strain the water and add honey to this drink, and your drink is ready. You will feel the beautiful aroma of this drink. Drink this and you will be surprised with the result. You will feel instantly refreshed and energized. Have this drink 2 to 3 cups a day and you will easily get rid of annoying cough and cold. This drink clear up the sinuses and exert antiviral effects on the cold virus. So try this drink and give your feedback in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. To get more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.